welcome to Quanta Mind's YouTube channel. My name is Naseem and I am a Theta Healing Instructor. Growing up in a country that has experienced its fair share of political and economic challenges, the Theta Healing World Relations Seminar has a very special place in my heart. Have you ever felt like you are caught in the middle of a complex system that discriminates against you? Or maybe in your life you have experienced the need to constantly defend your country's position or even on a global level. If your answer is yes, then trust me, I know exactly how that feels. I have a lot of stories, and this one is from the year 2021 when the world started to recover from the grip of this pandemic. As the travel restrictions eased, I decided to go for a vacation. And at almost all the airports globally, PCR testing was suspended. I was excited, and of course, I didn't know what was waiting for me at the airport. So as the plane touched down, there was an announcement, and passengers from my country, including myself, we were taken to a separate area. We were told that out of the 7 flights that landed in at the same time, the authorities decided to conduct random PCR testing of this flight coming from my country. Now, it could have been a moment of frustration or feeling victimized, but something incredible happened. Thanks to the work on healing my deep-seated beliefs related to discrimination, I was able to see beyond the surface. I realized that these restrictions and prejudices, they originate from something much deeper than any individual. They are ingrained within our collective consciousness and it has been passed down through generations. And that's precisely why Theta Healing World Relations Seminar holds such immense importance. It allows us to discover and heal these ancestral patterns of hatred, resentments, and discrimination. And when we do that, we begin to see people as they truly are. Now, I want you to pause and imagine a world where we can embrace each other's differences, where we can appreciate the uniqueness and beauty that lies within every individual, regardless of their culture, their country, their beliefs, their religion, their language. That's the world that we want to co-create through the World Relations Seminar. By going deeper into our own belief system and exploring the roots of our prejudices, we become a catalyst for change. This work is super important. We create a ripple effect that goes beyond borders and transforms the collective consciousness of humanity. But how does it work? Theta Healing World Relations Seminar, it provides a safe space for self-reflection. And there is tons of belief work. Tons of belief work that you will do over a period of 5 days. And together, we will uncover the layers of our conditioning and replace them with love, understanding, and acceptance. So if you have ever felt the weight of discrimination or witnessed its impact in our world, I invite you to join me on this extraordinary journey. Let's heal together. Let's dissolve the barriers. And let's rediscover the unity that connects us all. See you soon.